For more than 30 years, C.i.a. designs and manufactures directly in its factory in Italy, packing machines of various types. We start to show you the simplest solutions, ideals for who has to dose and pack many products. You just have to select the weight, and in a few seconds the product is transferred into the bag. Then we seal the bag with our very practical mini sealing. Our semi-automatic vacuum kit seals vacuum bags of different sizes, formats, and weights. From the simplest machines up to the most complete with accessories and functionalities. C.i.a. is addressed to a huge public, both to the small medium companies and to the big producer. The best solutions to pack your products, also in protective atmosphere and vacuum to guarantee a higher conservation. C.i.a. dress your products from dried fruits to legumes and many other products. Visit our website at www.ciasrl.it. For more than 30 years, we dress your products worldwide. Many convenient solutions to pack your products.